Hello friends, welcome back. In last video we have seen this program for input and output of 3 employees. But in reality we need to handle large amount of data, maybe hundreds of employees. So this is not the practical approach for the program. Let's try to find out solution on this. Here you can see one structure variable. It has 5 members. We can store information of only one employee in it. One variable is equals to one instance only. Practically, we need to handle multiple instances in terms of reading, processing, and printing. If we create multiple separate variables to handle multiple instances, then program will become complicated. What is the solution for this problem? The solution is array. Array is collection of multiple elements. Syntax of the array that we already know: data type space array name and the size in square bracket, where size is number of elements in the array. In our case, we will take this data type as our new type that we have created, struct employee, and size as per the requirement. Here we can declare array of 10 employees like this: struct employee e of 10. It can be seen in memory like this. Here e is not a structure variable, it is array of 10 structure variables. Individual structure variable can be referred by using subscripted notation such as e of 0, e of 1, e of 2, e of 3, and so on. Each structure variable contains its own 5 members like this. Here we can refer members like e of 4.id, e of 4.name, and so on. From programming point of view, we will take a loop beginning from 0 and process members of each structure as e of I.member. Let's try it practically. We will update same program. There is no change in definition of structure, but in main function we will make required changes. We are done. Let us understand changes. We have declared array instead of 3 separate variables. We have also declared integer variable I for traversing array. Now you must know execution of loop. This input part will be executed 10 times, and every time it will read one instance from e of 0 to e of 9. This printf statement will print heading. In next loop, printf statement will be executed 10 times, and each time it will print values of members of e of 0 to e of 9. Let us execute the program. Whenever you execute such program, keep your input ready in Notepad in the same sequence as required by the program. You can simply copy and paste it in the output window of the program. Just come to the output window and paste it for testing. Here you can see we have entered information for 10 employees, and in the output below you can see all the information printed as a list. So handling large amount of data is so simple. This program is smaller than our previous program. In fact, same program can be used for input and output of 100 employees. Just we need to increase size of the array and limits of the loop. We will take one small logical task here. What if you are told to read information of all employees but print only those whose salary is above 50,000? I am allowing you 30 seconds to think on this solution. It is very simple. Here we just need to check salary of every structure before printing the information to screen. Yes, keyword if should be used. Let's try it here. In this for loop, before printing the information, if you apply the condition like this, if e of I dot salary is greater than or equals to 50,000, then only this printf statement should be executed. Now let's execute and re-enter the information. Now here you can see information of only 5 employees whose salary is above 50,000 is displayed in the output. You can try some other conditions like printing only male or female employees, printing all above age 25, like that. Keep practicing. Goodbye.